Hello there, first grade. Good morning. Today is Friday. You will need your listening ears ready and Schoology open. Our first vocabulary word today is grains. That means very small pieces of sand. Our second vocabulary word is ice crystals. Ice crystals form when water droplets freeze onto little pieces of dust in cold air. As the crystals fall through the cold air, they get bigger and form snowflakes. Our third vocabulary word is sturdy. That means it is strong, not likely to break or fall over. This wall is sturdy. And our last vocabulary word is slushy, like snow or ice that has begun to melt. Okay, so we are going to read the Scholastic newsletter, Which Will Melt. It says, I am a snowman, and I am a sandman. I am made of icy snowflakes. I am made of grains of sand. Neither of us will last forever, but which will melt? Which one will melt? Read about Danny and Ava make. Which one melts? Which one gets washed away? Over here, he says, I'm Danny. I live where it is cold and snowy. I make a snowman. Snowflakes fall from the sky. The snowflakes are made of ice crystals. They cover the ground. I use them to make 3 big balls of snow. I put the biggest ball on the bottom. I stack the other 2 on top. I make sure the snowman is sturdy. I don't want it to fall over. I add a hat and a carrot nose. My snowman looks great, but the sun shines on it. The day gets warmer. My snowman gets smaller and smaller. It gets slushy. Is it melting? Why or why not? Now over here says, I'm Ava. I live where it is hot and sandy. I make a sandman. Grains of sand cover the beach. The grains are tiny pieces of rocks and shells. I add water to them. The water helps the grains stick together. I can build with wet sand. I make a big pile of sand. I shape it into 3 balls on top of each other. It is a sandman. I add a hat and a carrot nose. I add sunglasses. My sandman looks great, but ocean waves start to crash into it. My sandman gets smaller and smaller. It gets mushy. Is it melting? Why or why not? So my friends, the melting of ice is the snowman, and the sandman gets washed away by the ocean. All right, my friends, now you're going to go and answer a couple of questions in Schoology, okay? Have a great day.